Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The command box runs along the top of the Teams app. You use the command box in Teams to search, take quick actions, and launch apps. To use the command box to search, click into it and type what to find, like a person, channel, or a message. Then select it from the resulting list to jump directly to that search result. If desired, to conduct a more general search for items that match a specific word or phrase, type a search term or phrase into the command box and then press the Enter key on your keyboard. The search pane appears to the left and lists all item instances that match your search. You can use the tabs and drop-downs that appear at the top of the pane to filter the results. For example, you can click the Messages tab at the top to display only matches that are chat and channel messages. You can then use the From, Type, and More Filters drop-downs to further narrow the results. Once you locate the content, click it in the search pane to jump directly to it. Commands are shortcuts you can type into the command box in Teams to perform tasks like making a call, starting a chat, or changing your status. To do this, click into the command box and type a / to show a current list of supported commands and their functions. Then select the command from the list. You can also just type the full command once you know what it is. For example, you can type /chat and then press the Enter key on your keyboard to chat with someone. Once you launch the command, then enter or select any information required for the command. Using the previous chat example, this includes things like selecting the person with whom to chat, typing the message to send, and clicking the Send button. To launch an app from the command bar, type the @ symbol, and then either type the app name or select it from the list that then appears. Then complete the following app prompts as needed. If needed, to cancel and close a search you start in the command box in Teams, or close an app from the command box after using it, click the Cancel the Search button at the right end of the command box.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.